Hello and welcome to another episode of the Race to Go Racing. This episode we'll be finding rust, more rust and even more rust. We're stripping down the car into basically everything that needs to come off it for shot blasting. So come join us and let's see what rust we find in this old beast. I imagine a lot, we can already see some. So let's see where we go up to and see what the conclusion is. Let's go. So our axle stands are still missing. So it's back on bricks again.
I can't get outside.
David.
He's got like...
Cameraman!
Oh! What's going on?
Moved on the bricks.
Oh my god. That's solid.
It's solid. We move the car.
Solid apparently. That's going nowhere that. Hold on, let me just I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
I wouldn't do that. It's under it. Look at it. Alright, you just don't want to do that.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, go for that. Go down slowly, like a jack.
First of all, we have to strip the dash off. This was remarkably tight. Or maybe I'm a bit weak and pathetic. So while we were struggling, Steve took the glass out.
Whoa!
See, that's a lot easier now.
What?
I'll drop it.
Welcome to the race, the race.
Let's put it down like that. Not on the grass.
And then we stumbled across our first rust problem.
Well,
We've got to take this off.
That's
I mean, it wasn't before.
It's alright, it's taken itself off by the looks of it. What was that there?
is that what I do there?
Do it again. Wait, put the phone beside here. Just listen. Just listen.
Crunchy.
Things that make you go, Right.
Oh, it's blue!
Is that the original colour?
No, the original colour is red, so...
I mean, the outside's
Right, BG. Are you getting the reveal? The gender
The
reveal?
reveal? Is it a boy or a girl?
It's
Rust!
yeah,
We have to weld that off as well.
yeah.
That's that. Playing with the hole. You're making
How's this side not bolted in? And that is?
It's just filler, it's fine.
Steve. Just Steve playing with it and it just falls off and you sort of Steve go, oh.
Once upon a time, I think these were splines.
smaller than that.
Smaller than that. Smaller than that.
Smaller than that.
Bigger than
Oh,
that.
look him. How much smaller?
Yes.
Why it's not bolted in? The body's rusted away on this side.
At this point, everywhere we look, there's rust. Absolutely everywhere. So we started to take the rest of this off now. And that will give us the ability and to see what is underneath here. It's only going to get worse.
It's going to hit the dome. It is. Bottom bolt.
You can't see anything from here.
Giz.
Right. So you can't pull the mount through, so there's no point in taking off the mount bolts. You got to pull this one through, haven't you?
Oh,
That one. No one on the end. Oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah. That one? Yeah. That is not metal. That is expanding foam. Yeah. I'm starting to think that this was a bad idea. You know that there's people who know like everything about Triumph's going to be like, what the f*** are these idiots doing?
They'd be like, oh, you've got the R clip that's at the back right of the car. And it will release it all.
All the old boys in the comments.
I'm actually quite concerned about that.
What, the expanding foam?
Yeah.
Oh, we have Jeremy Clarkson.
Keep it in it. It's alright.
Don't usually do this.
Oh, she's going. She's going.
Whoa! It's off.
And she's gone.
Oh, dash, 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 dash.
That's what? Yeah, that's what.
There you are, Giz. Look at that. Lovely.
Hey, that's better. Look.
Solid.
Not so solid.
Somewhat solid.
The bits that are there are solid.
Are they?
Is this all coming out as well, yeah?
Yeah. Let's,
Still got it in there.
no. Surely not.
Just a bit of glue. It's just bolognese, Andy.
It's just bolognese.
Oh.
No.
Hold on. Show me.
It's just gonna.
Gives a look.
Oh, I don't usually do this.
Pull the flaps up.
Oh.
Oh, that's enough.
That's not.
We're gonna have like half a car left.
Get back from this.
Yeah.
Oh, well, wherever that was, it's rusted away.
I'd really like to weigh it before and after.
I don't think we have any scales.
The sandblasting, I think we could just use how light it is right now, just using the quantum scale, isn't it? Sorted.
If we say it's at least 2 Lewises now,
It's looking great.
You're doing great.
After breaking through the filler that was on the A pillars, we may have found some newspaper.
Kane, show us your magic trick.
Made a mistake, boys. Big mistake.
What we got here?
What we've got to look at, we got profit from investing in social projects. That's the top tip from the build today.
I mean, that's almost all of it. We didn't expect it to be this bad. The shot blasters should show up pretty much all the bad spots, but we've revealed quite a bit, and I think we'll have to do some pre-shot blasting preparation. So, essentially, just to wrap up what's happened, in regards to this thing, we're at a bit of a work stop now. We stripped down yesterday, as you could see, the body. We might have made a mistake. There's more rust than what we first thought, and somebody has done a cover-up job before that. So you can see, like, I'll walk around now and show you. It's not good. So at the moment we're looking for a body everywhere we can find one. So stuff like this isn't too bad. It's more like here. When we go into this bit here that they'd covered up, we were pulling out reels of the newspaper. So that's pretty bad. And if it was just this, we'd repair it. Then as we dug deeper, there's a patch here, and that patch covers that patch up, and then there's another patch there, and then that somebody's patched in the battery line, in the battery holder. And then we go over there, and it's the same on that as well, and it's the same there. But yeah, that's where we're at. Until next time.
Got the aerial out, have we? Oh, nearly went up your shorts there. Oh, we're doing that. See 2 aerials.
You're not going to see it.